chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems, dust of your dreams, ride through the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up, 'cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears.
So what I did here was I added this compressor and then I switched it from stereo to mono, which means instead of anything on the right causing the left side to compress, the right only compresses the right and the left only compresses the left. You can see on the needles and you can hear the difference that makes. So I'll put it back to stereo and we'll listen to it, and then I'll put it on mono. And also watch the needles, because on stereo they move together because they have to, and on mono each one moves when it's actually working. Well, they are both working in stereo. What I mean is they shouldn't be both working.
Nothing's ever bad as it seems, dust of your dreams, ride through the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up, 'cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears, chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems, dust of your dreams, ride through the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up, 'cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears.
So the arrangement's getting kind of busy. I might want another 2A on the vocal to kind of pin it to the front.
And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears, chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems, dust of your dreams, ride through the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up, 'cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears, chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems, dust of your dreams, ride through the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up, 'cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears, chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems. Dust of your dreams, ride to the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up. 'Cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears, chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems. Dust of your dreams, ride to the Milky Way. Made my mind up, I'm gonna get me signed up. 'Cause I love you much too much. And whenever trouble appears, I'll wipe your tears, chase all your fears away. Nothing's ever bad as it seems. Dust of your dreams, ride to the Milky Way. Made my
You see, this is one of the things about bleed. I want more high end for the guitar, but doing that adds to the drums. You can hear it with the cymbals and also the hi-hat. I think it adds something good, but still, that's one of the issues you have to deal with when you're dealing with live music, is which elements are adding to the other elements. So bass is going to be adding to the drums, guitar is going to be adding to the drums, vocal is going to be adding to the drums. So sometimes you have to EQ around certain things and make the whole combination of them work instead of making the individual tracks work. Okay, the problem now is the piano is too up front. This is because the piano doesn't have any verb on it. We want to use a different verb on the piano from what we already have. What do we have? We already have the vocal verb, we have the second vocal verb, and we also have the drum verb on our first three channels. So now let's make a piano verb. I see, this time it's automatically stereo because it came from a stereo channel, so I don't have to actually switch it from mono to stereo. Okay, I changed my mind. I think the piano sounds good through the chamber, which we already have, so we're not going to use number 4 yet. We're going to go back to number 2, which is the vocal verb. What I'm listening for here is the piano, when it stops playing, it just ends. It just drops off into nowhere instead of sustaining. That's what this verb is doing for us.